I remember the first video message that I created. It was 2010. I was a young, excited, enthusiastic mortgage loan officer. I was following a guy by the name of Gary Vaynerchuk online, one of the godfather of social media and internet marketing, listening to a couple of local real estate coaches and mortgage coaches, and they said that video is the future of our industries. You need to be using video in your business. Well, I listened. I'm coachable. So I listened and I started producing video. At the time, I was shocking myself because I was the only one doing it. And my videos met and exceeded my expectations. But in 2019 today, as I look back and I watch those videos, the audio stunk. The video quality, the lighting, terrible. Videos were blurry. But more importantly, the messaging was off. It was terrible. And that's why I'm making this video for you today, and I'm inviting you out to a lunch and learn. See, over the last 3 years, my wife and I both have been obsessed with improving the quality of our videos. And see, we thought it was more of getting better audio, getting better video, and having a better atmosphere, and maybe hiring a professional videographer. And although all 3 or 4 of those things are important, there's one major key that's more important than all of those, and that's your message. It's the messaging around your video. So if you were to hit pause right now and rewind this, you're going to see that there was a sequence that I followed. A frame, a message, and then what you haven't heard yet is the tie down. There's a formula for creating video messages that stick, that convert. And I want to share that with you. I think it's something that each of us as mortgage professionals and real estate agents in today's market, you need to make sure that you're leveraging video, but make sure that you understand how to leverage video, how to use the right equipment, but more specifically, how to make a message that, one, expresses the value that you bring to a future client, to the community, to the world, and number 2, will leverage the velocity of information and how it travels today to improve your branding. So somewhere around this video, I want to invite you out this month to my Lunch and Learn that I'm going to host for local real estate professionals, real estate agents that are a part of the American Dream TV cast that I'm the host of here in Seattle. And I want to have you out and I want to share this formula with you. One, I know it'll add value and that's my job to bring value to you. But number 2, it's so important if you're using video in 2020 and beyond that you're not winging it, that there's a strategy around it, that you're speaking in sequence, speaking from the heart, okay? I look forward to seeing you out this month. If you have any questions, let me know around this video. You need to RSVP to save your spot, and we'll see you out.